The queen is very happy to sit by the window because she can see a beautiful view. There was a lot of snow and it was very cold. The melodious chirping of birds accompanied him when she was sewing a dress. Queen said to herself, I want to give birth to a beautiful daughter. Her skin was white like snow. Her lips were red like pomegranate, and her hair was dark and long. Yes, at the time the queen was pregnant. However, suddenly the queen's index finger was pierced by a sewing needle. Blood dripped from the finger, falling right into the snow under the window. A few days later, the queen gave birth to a beautiful and adorable daughter. The princess is in accordance with the queen's expectation. Unfortunately, shortly after giving birth, the queen died. Her beautiful daughter named Snow White also had to grow up without a mother. The king did not want to continue to be sad and see his daughter lonely. When Snow White grew up, the king decided to remarry. However, the stepmother who has become the queen is not nice to Snow White. It was because he felt that Snow White had matched her beauty. Until one day, the queen has an evil plan against Snow White. She ordered a soldier to take Snow White away from the palace. In fact, she ordered the soldier to secretly harm Snow White. Take Snow White into the forest, then harm the dial so that I believe that you have harmed her. Bring me Snow White heart, exclaimed the queen in a loud voice. Okay, queen, said the soldier fearfully. The next day, the soldier took Snow White to the forest. On the way, the soldier hesitated. He could not harm the sweet beloved of the king. Finally, the soldier just let Snow White go. He let Snow White live alone in the forest, far from the palace. In exchange for Snow White's heart, the soldier broke the heart of a buffalo to the evil queen. The queen was very happy because she thought Snow White was dead. Every day, the queen looked in the mirror and praised her. Ha 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 ha! No, I'm the most beautiful in this country. Meanwhile, Snow White was confused in the forest. He walked through the forest until finally he saw a small house from a distance. She immediately approached the house. Snow White came into the house. There are 7 seats and 7 beds as well. Each piece of furniture is 7. Because Snow White felt tired and hungry, she immediately ate the food available at the dining table. After finishing eating, the princess lay in the room. Snow White did not know that the tiny house was inhabited by dwarfs. After a long day working in the forest, the dwarfs returned home delighted. They were very hungry and couldn't wait to eat. When opening the door of the house, suddenly all the dwarfs were shocked. The food had run out and there was little left. Who has eaten our food? Asked the first dwarf. The other dwarfs looked toward the room. They immediately opened the room door. There was a beautiful princess lying in the room. Looks like she's tired. Let her rest here, said the second dwarf. Shortly thereafter, Snow White woke up. He was surprised to see the dwarfs had surrounded her. She immediately apologized to the dwarfs for having entered the house without their permission. Snow White also told the truth, having no purpose. Snow White asked the 7 dwarfs to be allowed to live with them in a tiny house. With pleasure, all the dwarfs accepted Snow White's presents, but they made a condition that every day Snow White had to cook for the 7 dwarfs and clean the house. One day, the queen was in the mirror with her magic mirror. She asked, "Hi, magic mirror. Who is the most beautiful in this country?" The magic mirror answered, "Princess Snow White is the most beautiful." Instantly, the queen found out that Snow White was still alive. How angry the queen is! She had been lied to by his own soldiers. She also returned evil intention to Snow White. Queen immediately searched for the whereabouts of Snow White. She turned herself into a grandmother carrying a basket of apples. He had poisoned of the apples. The queen arrived in the forest. A few moments later, he met Snow White. The queen, who has disguised as a grandmother, immediately offered the apple she was carrying. "Will you exchange this apple for the bread you are holding, my lady? I haven't eaten in several days," said the grandmother. "Of course, Grandma. Take this bird," said the keen-hearted Snow White. Without feeling suspicious, Snow White accepted the poisoned apple. Oh la la! After eating the apple, immediately Putri fell and was unconscious. Soon after that, the dwarfs came home. They were very sad when they saw Snow White who was lying and silent. The dwarfs thought that Snow White had died. That they finally decided to put Snow White in a chest. They put the chest in front of the house. The prince riding through the forest saw a chest placed outside the house. Prince immediately approached the chest. He was fascinated by the beauty of Snow White, who was lying in the chest. "Is this the princess that always comes in my dreams? Really, she's so beautiful." Out of curiosity, the prince opened the chest and touched the princess's hand. Wonderful! The touch of Prince's hand made Snow White slowly open her eyes. All the dwarfs who witnessed the incident became very happy. Snow White smiled at the prince. The prince then knelt down to Snow White. He wanted Snow White to be his queen. With a happy feeling,